if you're like me, you might have been using video in order to drive traffic to your leads, offers or services. And part of that is writing an engaging script. Now you might have a copywriter doing that, but you can use a tool like this, which will use AI to produce the video for you. And now it has AI text to video, meaning it will write the script for you as well, which means you can massively cut down on the amount of time that you need to invest in making these videos. Let me show you how it works. So this tool is known as Invideo. There's a link down in the description, and there might be a coupon code that you can use there as well. So definitely go check it out, because every few weeks they send us a new coupon code and we update that regularly. So do go and check out the description and the link. What we're going to do is we log into Invideo, we go down to this option here, AI text to video, and you're going to pick one of these templates. Now you can hover over and see what they look like. I'm just going to click this one here. What it will do then is, you can see it will play for us, and then we're going to use this template. Then this will pop up here, lots of great boxes. Now you can put your own script in here, you can cut and paste. If you've got a blog post already written, you can put the URL down here and you can use that, or we can get the AI to write a script for us. So what I'm going to do is ask it to write a script about how a chatbot can be used on a website to turn visitors into customers. I want to include data about how chatbots convert more leads. So let's imagine I'm doing an article on my website about chatbots, and I want a video to go with it, because we all know that video increases dwell time, and dwell time is a metric that Google is interested in when it comes to ranking your website higher. Or you might just be putting video content somewhere else, like on your website. Maybe you want to send it out on an email list. Maybe you want to put it on your own YouTube channel. So now I'm just going to hit generate, and the AI is going to go away and write the script for me. So you might be able to use a free tool like the basic ChatGPT, but it's going to be using ChatGPT 3.5, whereas when you use a tool like this, they're paying for the API key. So what they're doing is they're making sure you've got access to the best software. And here we go, we've got our list here. This is what it's come up with, all of these different things that it's going to mention. I'm going to go down here because I've got the premium account. I'm going to select all three of these, which means I'm going to get auto suggested images and videos. Now I can go through and edit this if I want to. If I don't like what it's produced, I can hit generate again. Now one thing I have noticed is that when you do this in other AI software, the word count gets used up, and I haven't noticed that they're doing this. So for example, if I had regenerated this in something else, like Jasper or something like that, would use up my word count. But now you can see I've got a completely different script. I can read through this, change it if I want to. So we're just going to stick with this for now, and I'm going to hit create scene. Well, let's just take a little bit out of this. Okay, so I've just hit it a third time in order to just get a brand new script, and I like the way that this has been laid out. So we're just going to click here, and it's going to go ahead and it's going to set up a project, and it's going to use the script in order to go away and find the images and videos that are relevant to our video. It's going to do that all automatically using the AI, which means we don't need to do any work at all. So that took about 90 seconds in total. I paused the video, but what you can see here now is we have our template for our video. Okay, so we've got all of these different scenes here, and they've all got images or videos, and our script has been put onto these. So what we can do now is we can see how long each scene duration is. We can play through it, so it's a video, we can watch it. Okay, we can adjust the overall scene length here, so we can see like this is an image. Okay, so it's going to be there for the full 5 seconds, but if I wanted to add some extra media and have a few things going on, be able to watch the whole clip and see what was displaying each second by second. If I want to, I can click on edit scene here, and we'll go into the editor if I want to do some more detailed editing. If I like the scene and want to use it again, I can duplicate it. If I don't like it, I can delete it. Now what you find with this AI is actually some of the images, as you can see, are pretty good. it takes the keywords you're using on each slide and uses them to come up with a an image that relates. But you might get to one that you don't particularly like. So what you can do is you can come over here. I've clicked on the images box here, put the word chatbot in, and you can see we've got all of these images, and I can drag them across. If I wanted to, maybe I wanted a picture of somebody at a laptop or computer instead of this one here, then I just search and it would be able to find a relatively good picture, and I'll be able to drag it over into this box here and change it. If I want video, I can click on the video here, and if I want to add some music, I can click on music, and they have some copyright free music that we're able to use. So all I need to do now is go through, and as I said, just check all of these scenes are how I want them to be, that I can read all the text. You also need to make sure that you're fact checking what the AI has written. So we've got here, chatbot converts up to 50% more leads. So I probably want to find a source for that information, or double check I can find a source that says that fact so that I know that that is accurate. And then as soon as I've done all of that, as you can see down here, I've got this music, so I can click on this and I can change the background music. So not only change the actual music that I'm picking, so I can pick it by different mood or genre, but I can also get it to fade in and out. We can duck volume, so if you click this button here and do a voiceover, and you can add your own voiceover, or you can have an AI generated voiceover, and they are bringing out new voices, so it's definitely something worth considering. You can get the volume to duck, so if you are talking, the volume goes up and down so you can hear the voiceover, and the overall volume of the audio on the video as well. Once you've done all of that, then all you need to do is go over here, click on download, and you'll be able to download your video. It will then get rendered. It can be rendered in 1080 or 720, depending on whether you're doing it as like a sample video that you want to send to someone so you just need it in lower quality, or whether you're ready to go and publish it straight off. So you can pick these. You can see you've got a quota, so I've got a monthly quota. I've got 46 images remaining. I've used 15 stock images here, so I might want to go back and swap out from some free ones if I don't want to use up all my quota. And again, depending on what particular plan you're on, you can do 720, or you'll be able to go for the full HD. So all I need to do now is click export. I'm not going to do it, but then that would export my video, and I would be able to then download it and use it wherever I want to be able to use it. As I said at the beginning of this video, do check the description, because we do get from time to time coupon codes that can save you anywhere from 25 to 40% off this software, which is a really, really good saving. And if you are interested in AI tools, we also have our free download down in the description, where you can get access to over 100 different AI tools, which you might consider testing and trialing out in order to help you save and claim back time when it comes to content creation. If you are looking to use videos in blogs and you want some help with blog writing, check out this video on the screen that shows you how to use this AI copywriting tool in order to be able to write full blog posts. And if you go down into the description, you'll also find out how, if you're quick, you can get that tool at a lifetime price of under $100.